In this video, I'll show you how to create a stunning color highlight effect in Canva that instantly makes your subject stand out. This effect looks professional, but it's actually very easy to create. Let's get started. All right, first, add the image you want to use for this effect. I'll use some images for the demo, so I'll pick one from them. Once you've selected your image, set it as the background and adjust its position properly. Now, let's say I want to highlight the glasses in this photo. To do that, select the image and click on Edit. Under Magic Studio, you'll find a tool called Magic Grab. Open that. With this tool, you can grab any element from your photo just by clicking on it. Or, if you want more control, you can use the Brush tool to manually select the area. I'll use the Brush tool here. First, reduce the brush size so it's easier to work with. Then, zoom in on the image for better accuracy. Now, carefully brush over the glasses to select them. Once the selection is done, click on Grab. Within a few seconds, Canva will separate that element from the background. Now, for the highlight effect, select the background image again, go to Edit, and open Adjust. Scroll down and increase the vibrance. Then decrease the saturation. And just like that, your selected element stands out with full color while the rest of the image looks muted. You can use this technique for thumbnails, social media posts, or any design where you want to grab attention instantly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.